Today we're going to be going over the Undebt.it Dashboard. This page gives you a snapshot information of all your account information, and you can also record your payments easily in the Payment Manager section. First, let's take a look at the top here in the Summary section. Each of our accounts are listed here. I only have two in this account here. It shows the balance, interest rate, minimum payment, the amount of current monthly interest you're paying each month, months to pay off, and the projected total interest over the life of the account. And down here in the Payment Manager section, these are in order of due date. So we have them grouped by past due, due within 7 days, due within 14 days. And you can see my Bank of America is due on the 18th. You can also see it up here at the top. This shows you anything within 7 days. So that there's a Bank of America account. The dashboard here shows you our minimum payment due of $45. Our progress, I haven't paid anything on it, so this says we have 100% left to go. As you pay it, this progress bar will go down, which we'll see here in a moment. And you see our payment amount. This is the amount that we're scheduled to pay this month based off of our snowball amount. The second account, the Discover account, we're just going to be paying the minimum amount, which is $125. That's the number you see here as well. The payment date here is today's date, and you can override this when you're making a payment. So I'm going to go ahead and do a partial payment on this Bank of America account right now. So I'm going to click here and change the date to, I'm going to do this tomorrow. So I'll just change the date there. I'm only going to do a partial payment. So I'm going to go ahead and $40. And since I paid less than the minimum amount, it still has our due date as the October 18th. Once we spend above $45, it's going to bump the due date to the next month. And you can see we have a little bit off the progress bar here. I'm going to go ahead and pay the full amount due on the Discover. I'm going to pay that on Friday, $125, quick pay. Paid successfully. And you can see our due date for Discover card is now in November, and we have 0 left pay. The asterisk here on payment amount just means that you've made a payment on this account. This is the amount we have scheduled left to pay based off of our snowball amount here at the top. You can see my budget's $1,000. That leaves us with $830 for a snowball. We're going to apply all of that snowball amount to this first account. So I'll go ahead and, let's say I get paid again on the 26th, so I'll go ahead and pay the remainder. I'll leave that as is, $835. Quick pay. And that's it. We're done for the month. None of our due dates are in October now. And you can see here at the top, we've made our $1,000 budget. We have our green check mark, so we're done. That's it. Thank you.